Hello, I'm Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and today we're going to do an Amazon wig unboxing. I've got my box here. I have just popped it open, and we're going to pull these wigs out and look at them. There's one curly one, one short red one, and one a little bit longer red. So we're going to look at them and see what they look like. Okay, here's the first one. Here's this red one, and it is from Vision Wig Company, and I'll put a link of all these wigs down in the description so that you all can go online and look at them if you want to. This one is, I don't know, I think that's the medium one. And we'll just look at it, see what it looks like. This one is the curly one, and I haven't had my hair curly since I had a perm back in the 80s, maybe the 70s. Maybe the 70s when I was a young hippie. So let's just try these on, pop them on my head, see what they look like, and we'll just see where this goes. Okay, I want to do this one first. This one is style 2849, color 9J-20C. And this is a bright red wig. Now, none of these, it doesn't look like any of them comes, oh, it's got this little hairnet thing, but I don't think any of these came with a wig cap, which is kind of a bummer, but here is my thing, the bane of my existence. These little hairnets that just want to hang on. They're awful. They just will not let me go. Okay, so here's the short red one. And I got this one because I thought this might be one that I will actually wear. Oops, I shook it so hard I dropped it. Here we go. Here we go. This one, you're always supposed to shake them out. And these are all synthetic wigs because I really like a synthetic wig better than I do a human hair wig because synthetic wigs hold their shape better, they're easier to take care of, and you don't have to style them after you wash them. So let's look at this wig and see how it's made. It's got the lace, a little bit of lace top. It's not a lace front wig, but it's got the mesh cap. It's got the little adjustable straps on the back, and if you want to, hook these in and try these, I'm gonna actually hook these in just a little bit because I have a small head, and this wig actually looks small, so I think this wig might actually fit. So let me look in here. Let me go in here and find the little tabs on the side, decide the front from the back. Take my glasses off, and I'm just gonna pop it on my head. And I got this color because I thought, if I actually wear this wig, this might be something that would be close enough to my hair that I could pull some of the front of my hair out and make it look a little bit more natural. So here we go. So I'm gonna adjust the little tabs on the side. And this is a smaller type of a wig. So if you have a large head, I can tell you now, this wig will not fit you. This is a small wig. And this is supposed to be worn very much like this. Let me put my glasses on to see. And this was advertised as a cosplay wig. So if you want to if y'all do any cosplay, this would be a good wig to have for that. So, you can kind of mess with the bangs a little bit, and I would probably do one side, up, the other side, kind of do it like that, and have this side, just kind of like that. But all in all, for what it is, and for the price of it, this one was $19.99. Not a bad looking wig. I actually like this little wig. I think it's got potential. It's close enough to my own hair color that I think I can mess with it and do something with it. And this is kind of a cute little wig. Now I'd have to, I'd need to get in there and comb it, get my wig brush out, mess with it a little bit, but I actually like this wig. I will probably wear this wig, like if I'm going out somewhere, like, just running around town or even to work. I might wear this to work one day because I think it's close enough to my hair color that I think it'll be okay. So let me take this one off, shake my hair out a little bit, and let's try the curly wig because I'm kind of interested in seeing what this curly wig is going to do. And this curly wig is wig number WS642M, and then it's got T27/33A. So this wig has got that little hammock thing that, and this is pretty doggone cool. This makes me feel like Sister Golden Hair Surprise, like that song. But I keep on thinking about you, Sister Golden Hair Surprise. It's a golden color, and the wig cap is made pretty much the same as the other, except this has got a comb in the front of it, which I really like that because it holds everything down more secure. The cap is a little bit bigger. It's got the lace top. It's got the open mesh so that your scalp can breathe in it. And let's just plop this on my head. I have a feeling this is going to be way, way too much hair for me. And if I kept this wig, well, there's that thing on my shoulder. If I kept this wig, I'd probably have to take it to the beauty shop and get it thinned out. So let's just see what I look like as Sister Golden Hair Surprise. Get my tabs. You always want to straighten your wig with the little tabs on the side. That's what they're there for. Get it behind my ears. Take my glasses off and pull it back to the hairline. Okay, so here I am looking rather like I'm channeling Shirley Temple or something. But you know what? I don't think this is the worst look that I've ever had. I kind of, in a way, in some strange world and in some strange universe, I actually kind of like this wig. And I think if I was going to go like, I don't know, to Bonnaroo or something, I might possibly pop this wig on my head and just wear it and rock it. I do think, that I would probably take some of it, pull it up on top so it wouldn't be quite so much hair down here around my face. Maybe put it up the clip, do a ribbon, do something on it. But all in all, this wig feels really good. It's got a great feel to it. This is a synthetic wig. I would actually recommend this wig if you have curly hair and you'd like to get another wig. Some days when you can't do a lot with your hair, or if you just like curly hair. I actually like this, and I would probably wear this with maybe a scarf around my head or something, just if I wanted to go out and just run around town or do something, or just have a fun night out with the girls. I think this could be a lot of fun. I actually pretty much like this wig pretty well. So let's get on to the last wig. This last wig is by a High Vision collection. It is style number E997. I'm sorry, it's style number E9777. I'm sorry, I can't. My glasses are just not working well today. And the color is 130. It says Lydell Short Layered Wigs. So let's get this out. Let's look at it and see what we got. Now, this one, spoke too soon. It does have one of those things. Oh, Lord, this thing is going to be just awful. Okay, this one has got the lace top, the open mesh. It's got the little tabs, on the little hooks on the back so you can adjust the size. This is a synthetic wig. It says 100% synthetic on there. Now, I don't know what something would have to be. How do you make something not 100% synthetic? Do you weave say 5% of human hair in there? Inquiring minds want to know. So I'm going to pop this wig off and shake this one out good. And I'm going to pop her on my head. And I really, really love the style of this one. I really like it. So let's just see what it looks like. Okay, so done with that. Let's try this one and see what she's got. I am anxious to see this wig because I am really excited about this one. I was anxious to see about how these red ones would look because I ordered these, like I said, so that I could actually, wear them on my bad hair days, and it wouldn't look so different than my natural hair color. So this wig is a little bit larger than the other two. The tabs on the side, you just got to get them even. And I would definitely have to tighten this one up because it's just it's too loose. So here's this one. And I don't think this is really a bad looking wig either. I think it's got some potential. I think I could fluff it out just a bit, and I like this wig. I actually like all of these wigs. I believe that I could actually wear them, rock them, and be happy with them on my bad hair days. This one is pretty much styled already, so all you'd have to do is just kind of fluff it a little bit with your wig brush, and you're good to go. So here's my next Amazon wig unboxing. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope I made you laugh just a little bit. God bless. Maranatha.